Welcome to the SPARC-SPy presentation. The SPARC project unites researchers from 60 groups representing 90 institutes in their exploration of the autonomic nervous system towards the development of therapeutic neuromodulation. Visualizations are a core part of this process, allowing scientists to interpret data and draw inferences. It is crucial in enabling collaborations and the communication of results. The problem facing SPARC users at the moment is that there is no tool available for researchers to easily generate and disseminate visualizations across platforms. Powerful tools do exist, but they are not accessible on all platforms. This limits the interoperability and reusability of existing tools, making it difficult to share visualizations across different platforms and software environments. The solution we have developed is SPARC Scaffolding in Python, or SPARC-SPy, a tool that enables reproducible and distributable visualizations alongside insightful analyses, all in accordance with FAIR principles. Central to this project is a tool that allows the user to easily manipulate, visualize, and export scaffolds using a Python interface in a standard format compatible with visualization and computational modeling tools such as ParaView, OpenPhone, and Phoenix. This can be run within OSPARC with access to data through Pensive and provides interactive visualizations that support generation of scaffold level or landmark level metadata to enhance the discovery of visualizations and increase the value of existing data. Included within SPARC-SPy is a series of tutorials to showcase its capabilities and to ensure that it is accessible, lowering the technical barrier to generating visualizations. The tutorials start with generating a visualization from searchable public datasets available through Pensive. We then use SPARC-SPy to derive insights and label the constructed scaffold classes with searchable metadata tags. Finally, we show how SPARC-SPy can be used alongside existing tools and import new experimental data into the scaffold class. SPARC-SPy supports the SPARC research community by making visualizations easy. It reduces the technical barrier for researchers to visualize scaffolds across multiple platforms and draw meaningful insights from data. It enhances the value of existing datasets and supports the generation of insightful visualizations within the SPARC community. On behalf of the SPARC-SPy team, thank you.